Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Weld wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. This one's the Laguna. This was in the size 20x9 plus 29 offset, 5120 bolt pattern, 7256 centerboard, gloss black milled with a 29 offset. Whenever you shop for this wheel, this is the front for a Camaro SS. Brembo brakes, it'll fit. S107 09021P29 to shop for the fronts. The rears are going to be 20x11, 40 offset, 5120, 7256 centerboard, gloss black milled. And then when you shop for the rear, make sure to shop S107 01121P40. It'll take you to the rear. So front and rears, I'm going to take them out each, give you the lip size and wheel weight. So comment below if there's something else that you guys want me to showcase. And if you like this wheel, also feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. With the welds, you get pretty cool stickers here to go with it. And take out the front. So here's your front wheel. Take this box down. And there you go. Here's your Laguna in the 20x9. So gloss black, milled accents, machine lip, TPMS sensor compatible, conical seat lug nuts will go right on. Great looking wheel overall, machined all the way around, and then a nice little pop-in cap. So let me give you the lip size on this. Give me a second. So lip size on this wheel is 20x9. You're looking at 1.5 inches. So that's the front. Like I said, the Camaro SS clears the brakes, no problem. You will, let me see it on this 7256, you will need hub rings, guys. So we can include the hub rings for you. So the 7256 hub ring down to 67.1 for those to make it hub centric. Conical seat lug nuts. So this is the 20x9. I'll unbox the 20x11 for you. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the box. Here you go, and then I'll weigh it at the end so that way you guys can see the weights front and rear. So check this out. Take this out of the box and don't put the 20x11. So here you go. Pull this back way out, take this box, throw it over here. So here goes 20x11. So here's your black machine, same thing, TPMS sensors, gloss black machine, all the way around the machine lip. Let me give you the lip size on the 20x11. Man, you're looking at the same thing, a little bit over 1.5. It's on the 20x11. So good looking wheel. I mean, nice and wide compared to the 20, just the regular 20x9. So good option here. Let me give you, so I got your lip sizes. Let me give you the wheel weights. So I'll weigh the front one first and then the rear one. So here's your front wheel. 26.5 pounds. So there you go. And then this 20x9, and then the 20x11. I'm gonna have to weigh this sideways. So I think it's gonna be a little harder. So 28.5 pounds on the 20x11. So there you go. 28.5. So you got it. You got your wheel weights for the front and rear. If this is a wheel styles that you like, don't hesitate, give us a call. It's a great setup for those Camaro guys or any other vehicle 5120. Give us a shout. My name is Ralph. Thank you.